Hey guys, we're back. Yeah, shoot. This is not right. Yeah, that's right, right? How hard is it? Yeah, it goes pretty much as high as it does. Let's do someone in the chamber. I know. Eventually I'll end up doing 21-minute notes. If you want to see. But post in the comments if you want to see some more. And just show me some you want. And I'm all yours. Ears and eyes. Oh, shoot. That's not cool, man. Not cool. I gotta get some friends. Yeah, right in the back. Yeah, that's right. Nobody comes to talk to me. If you want to come here. Yeah, talk to me first. That's right. Nobody comes here without talking to me first. You talk to me first. You come here. You talk to me first. Sure. You talk to me. Nobody else. Just me. This is my song. I think I'm annoying. But I don't have as many deaths. But I'm in the lead for surviving. That's all I care about. Surviving. I want to make it to the top 3. You see, I don't want to die right away. So I do not want. These are coming to these bitches. Oh, shit.
Last life.
Yeah, see, I don't want to do this. I don't want them to kill each other. Yes, I am. No. Yes, I am. No. Yes, I am. No. Yes, I am. I'm not gonna do this, dude. I swear to God, there's teammates. This is not gonna be cool. Oh, no. Oh, shit, I see him. I'm not gonna do that, man. Who's that stupid, man? Jesus. I'm not that stupid. You might be. I don't know. I came in first! Did you see that, guys? I came in first! Yeah, you know I died. I still came in first. Right back in the head, you know, it's not cool, but I came in first, so it doesn't matter to me. As long as I come in the first, everybody else. I think there's only 5 people. No, there's 6 people. Let's vote. Ah, shit! I just hijacked your face, though. Please, somebody join. I don't like ending the videos just because nobody joins. Thank you. I mean, I do not, to be honest. I do not like doing that. I like to have fun with my YouTubers. Of course I do. Who doesn't? Okay, well, about you guys. But I got some but you. It's all concentration, man. I told you, I'm not that good, but I'm a pro right now. I'm going to beast mode. 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 I think people are gonna leave earlier before it loads. I hope they don't. This is going to, I don't know. It might be the last one. Depends how long it just takes. It really does. I can always outsmart these
Keep
guys.
your head up and your ass down. It's go time.
Frig back. Alright. Get your head together. Oh, what? Oh, what? That's just a beast.
Last life.
Dude. Look at this. How the heck am I missing? Oh, what? I'm out. I had to lead for a very long time. Dude. I'm getting sent to the bottom of the deck here. This guy's a beast. I didn't even get these many kills in beast mode. This guy's in beast mode now. I lost my beast mode. Dude, you guys aren't going to chase each other on the boats all day, right? I don't want to play chase the pumpkin. I want to play kill the pumpkin. They would work as a team. I'm pretty sure. Unless they actually know that they're not good enough to be. That guy's got a screen peeker or something. He's glitching. He's glitching. He's hacking. He's hacking. He's hacking. He's hacking. For sure. Hackers. Is that him out? Dude, this one is so tough, man. Jesus, he's a beast, man. I hope they win. Oh, they're spread out now. Smart. Real smart. So I can take one of you. Each. Oh, that's. You guys don't care. Seriously, there's only 2 guys left. Dude, that guy got like every single kill here. I'm ready to rage quit. Jesus, he's a beast. I think a couple guys ditched him. Dude, that guy's full-time beast mode. Beast mode. Okay, let's see. This one gonna take 6 minutes. I really don't want to risk it. Because this video doesn't get posted in phone. Yeah, guys, this is the end of the video here. I'll make another video. Woohoo! Bam!